If you've been missing a cozy, creamy bowl of pasta on keto, this video is for you. We're making a full plate of chicken Alfredo with Pete's pasta, and yes, it is low carb. We're going to start off by putting our avocado oil into a hot pan. We're going to add in the chicken. Then we're going to add in our seasonings, which I will list down below in the description. After that, we're just going to let our chicken cook until it's all done. But in the meantime, we're going to get this frozen bag of broccoli because, yes, we're going to cheat and we're going to put it in the microwave to steam. And then we're just going to put it in for like 5 minutes. Once the chicken is done cooking, we're going to put it into a bowl. And then we're just going to go ahead and set that bowl of chicken to the side so we can make our sauce. Now, in the same pan, we're going to add in some butter, some heavy cream, and then into that, we're going to add in Parmesan cheese. Mix it all in, make sure it's all melted. And then once that's done, we're going to add in some seasonings. I put in Italian seasoning and garlic powder along with salt and pepper. You don't need too much salt though. And then just kind of let it cook until it's done. And then we're going to cook our pasta now. This one right here, you actually cook it just like you do regular pasta, except it takes just a few minutes longer. So you're going to put it in and then just let it boil until it's done. It might take 13 to 15 minutes. Then put it in a strainer. And then once it's done, you'll go ahead and add it to your plate. We're going to add in our homemade Alfredo sauce. And then I like to put broccoli in mine. And then we're going to put the chicken on top. And there you go. This is so delicious. My girlfriend even thinks that this pasta is better than regular pasta. I will leave a link for it in the description below.